Hello and welcome to Zarina's English Stories. This channel helps you improve your English through stories and speaking practice. Today, you will practice English speaking using a simple and powerful method called the shadowing technique. Shadowing means you listen to English and repeat the words immediately after the speaker. Try to copy the pronunciation, the speed, and the emotion. This method helps you speak more clearly, understand English better, and feel more confident. Now, I will tell you a story. Are you ready? Let's begin. A work trip that changed everything.
Anna had been working at her new job for only 2 weeks when her manager asked her to travel to another city. She felt nervous but excited. It was her first business trip. The city was bigger and louder than her hometown. Tall buildings, busy streets, and new faces were everywhere. After work, Anna decided to take a walk. She wanted to relax and see the city. In a small cafe near her hotel, she met a young man. His name was Daniel. He was sitting alone and reading a book. When Anna asked if the seat was free, he smiled and said yes. They started talking. Daniel told her he worked as a designer. Anna told him about her new job and her trip. They talked for a long time. The conversation felt easy and warm. The next day after work, they met again. Daniel showed Anna the most beautiful places in the city. By the end of her trip, Anna felt something special. This work trip was not only about work anymore. When Anna returned home, Daniel sent her a message. "I hope this is not the end." Anna smiled. She knew her best days were just beginning. That evening, Anna stood by the window in her hotel room and looked at the city lights. She thought about Daniel and their conversations. For the first time in a long while, she felt truly happy and calm. The new job, the new city, and this unexpected meeting made her believe in herself. Sometimes the best days come when we do not plan them at all.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Zarina's English Stories. More English shadowing stories are coming soon. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time.